sitting at a fucking light takes longer. Anyway, don't come up with fucking, don't try to sound so smart. Like you got something more intelligent to say than you got your priorities in order. Oh, okay. Which way my fucking food goes and which way I eat it, it's all mashed up for any fucking food we don't have money for. Okay, you know what? Hi, try having appreciation first before you fucking get to work. Good. You want to be like that? You want to act like you know what you're talking about and you know what you're saying? You know how to make yourself look good? No problem. You're not late for work. Don't worry, you're not going to be late for work if you just pick up your thing and have some appreciation for the fucking food that's prepared for you. Oh, thanks! See ya! Right out the door, hang your shoes, I'll be late. Yeah, okay, so you're not going to be late. It's up to Charlie when Charlie gets there. You're never really late. You're not going to be late if you pick up your bag and make sure it doesn't get mashed up by the time you fucking eat it. You show the person that prepared it, the person went shop for it, the person that cooked it, the person that's trying to pack it neatly so it could be somewhat of a fucking edible by the time you eat it. That's called appreciation. Appreciate what somebody's trying to do for you. It's not about, oh, you don't skip all that now, it's getting to work. Yeah, I know. No, that makes you look more like whatever. It's okay. Maybe a little communication, 2 minutes, I'm saying, at the fucking door or whatever. If I want to tie the bag, like, is it really that big of a deal? It's not going to make you late.